guys, look at this big old bag. I play too much. I do too much. But it's cool. Look, you guys, what I have. It's a Coach luggage. I just figured I would show you in the car because it might be easier. It has the 4 spinners and has a little Coach. Has a handle here and a handle here. It's got a little dirt on it. He wouldn't give me anything off on it. But look. It comes with this little shoe bag. Snaps on and snaps off. This is this side. It's not that big. So I'm gonna go home and try it and see how I like it. It's got the straps there. It says Coach. This pocket here has 2 zips on the front. Let me show you. Pocket here, 2 pockets there. It's cute. It's a nice carry-on. So that's what's in my Coach bag. Luggage. Let me give you guys a view. It has the 4 spinner wheels. This is the back. This is this side with the leather handle. We have Coach here. It has a handle up here with a glazing. With a Coach here. I don't really like this part right here. But let's just take a peek in here. I've already put some of my stuff in here just to see how it would fit. And this sucker is way heavy. I don't think this is going to be a good fit. As you can see, it has the zip around here. It has some tabs here. These actually might be leather. They kind of feel like plastic in a way. So remember, these I ordered. I put this here. It has a perfect fit, but it doesn't have anything in. This is the inside. It has like that brown burgundy look. I thought these travel cubes fit cute in here. By Coach. It has a zipper here. Okay, then let me just turn it the other way so you can see the other side. It's real boxy. This is for shoes. This bag, it has Coach here. And this is a shoe bag. It snaps on. And then I have the other 2 cubes here. And they fit, as you can see, this is dented. So this is empty. I didn't put anything in it. And it has a zipper to get to the part here. Oh, it's an inside zipper. So it's not really supposed to be zipped. So these 2 items fit in here. And this luggage is quite heavy and it's not even packed. And then here's the little Coach bag. On the website, I think they use it with the shoes. And I just threw my Jordans in here. I have yet to wear these Jordans, but this bag is pretty roomy in the inside. And of course it has Coach right here, Coach New York. As you can see, here's an overview of the luggage, and here's the snaps to the shoe bag or whatever you decide to put in it. It's well crafted, it's well made, the zippers work very good, as you'll hear in the upcoming parts of this video. I loved how the cubes fit in there, but starting out at 9 pounds, I can't even imagine putting my stuff in here and then trying to lift it above my head to put it in the overhead compartment. It's quite heavy. I love the 4 wheels. It's a really nice luggage, except there's a couple flaws to me with this luggage. The handles are in awkward positions. Let me show you how good it rolls. It rolls really good here. You can see the 4-point wheels rolls very good. I didn't stuff it with clothing because it was already heavy, and I just knew that it was too heavy to add any clothing. By the time I add clothes and stuff to it, it probably would be at least 25 pounds. With toiletries and other travel stuff. You see the handles, they're off. They're not in the middle, so the luggage isn't balanced. Even on the top, the handles are off. So it looks cute and it rolls very nice. But this luggage has too many flaws. So yeah, it rolls very nice. And I like the sleekness of it. And the spinner wheels spin pretty good. But see the handles? The handles are off on the top and the side. She spins very good, but she's quite heavy. They just fell short with the weight. It's too heavy, and where the handles are located, they're awkward. It's not easy to carry the luggage where the handles are located. So unfortunately, it's not going to work for the girl, so she's going to have to return it. It's got great zippers. It's got great pockets. I loved how the cubes fit in there, but by the time I pack this luggage, it's going to be at least 25 pounds or more, and I just can't imagine lifting that over my head to put it in the overhead compartment. And it would just be too awkward to carry in certain situations because of the handle placement. So back to the drawing board on this one, Coach. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.